So in this video I'll show an EA that can be helpful for passing any kind of challenges. So let me show you real quick. This is a $100,000 account, FTMO challenge. So there is 5,000. Let us try this. That is it. So let us keep our eyes on the graph and let us see how it actually covers. See, it's going on. The trades are going on. Already 3,000. See, 3,500, 3,700, 3,000, 4,000. So it's now close to 5,000. 5,000 crossed, and look at this. Say close to 6,000. Really, 6,000 crossed, and close to 7,000. Now 7,000 coming. Yes. Wait. 7,000. Wait a bit. 7,000 crossed, and our goal is to make 10,000 from this year, and so 10,000. Yes. So it is already 8,000. 8,000 crossed. 8,000 crossed, and 8,000 crossed. Let us wait for 9,000. It's coming very close. Yes. 9,000. 9,000 crossed, and let us pause the year after a few minutes and see the max drawdown. So 10,000 crossed. It has passed FTMO challenge.